Grunfeld defense begins with d4, nf6, c4, g6, and black is ready to bring its bishop on g7, knight c3, d5, pawn takes d5, knight takes d5, and this is called as the exchange variation. In response to these exchanges, white plays bishop d7, d2. This move prepares to recapture the knight on c3. If black captures the knight on c3, bishop recaptures it. This bishop on c3 neutralizes the power of the bishop on g7, and white is now ready to advance e4 to set up the broad center. Now black plays bishop g7, e4, knight takes c3, bishop takes c3, and now here this bishop neutralizes the power of its adversary on g7. c5 and d5. Instead of playing bishop on g7, if black prefers to play bishop f5 to control the advance of the e4 pawn, but remember, it is a mistake. In response to bishop f5, white will play e4. Black captures the knight on c3, bishop takes knight, and if black bishop captures the pawn on e4, then it's a blunder, because white will simply advance its d4 pawn to d5, and the next move will be queen a4 check, and the queen will pick up the bishop on e4. Instead of capturing the knight on b3, black thinks of playing knight b6. This attacks the pawn on d4. Bishop is also attacking on the pawn d4, and if black plays knight c6, it will again attack the pawn on d4, and therefore there will be 3 attackers from the black side. In response to this, white plays bishop e3 and defends the pawn on d4. Black castles, and white plays bishop e2, knight c6, again attacking on the pawn d4. To defend the d4 pawn with the third piece, white plays knight f3 and defends the pawn on d4, but this is the mistake, because it allows black to play bishop g4, and that creates a pressure on f3. And puts a pressure on f3. Knight that reduces the resources to maintain the pawn on d4, and therefore white plays d5, bishop takes knight, g takes bishop, knight a5, bishop d4, and queen d6. Once again come to the original position. Here white also thinks of avoiding the exchange on c3, but how is it possible? It is possible just by withdrawing the knight. This knight can be withdrawn to e4 or to a4. Now where to withdraw? If the knight is withdrawn to e4, then it will obstruct the advance of e4 pawn, and therefore white decides the second possibility to swing the knight to a4. In response to this, black plays e5, d takes e5, bishop b4 check, bishop d2, and the most important move from black is knight e3, attacking the queen on d1. Therefore white plays queen c1, bishop takes bishop, queen takes bishop, queen takes queen, king takes queen, and knight c4 check. But instead of playing queen on c1, if white captures the knight on e3, then black captures the bishop on d2, queen takes d2, black plays queen h4 check, g3, and the knight on a4 is picked up. Come to the original position of exchange variation, and here now white prefers to play e4, giving more importance to set up the broad center. In response to this, black captures the knight on c3, b captures the knight on c3, and black immediately plays c5. But some players, they play bishop g7 first, but remember it is a dangerous move because white responds it by playing queen a4 check and bishop d7, and in this case white queen goes to a3, that controls the c5 square and prohibits the advance of c5 pawn. The same can be played in a different way. If black plays bishop g7, white will play bishop a3, and that too once again control the c5 square and hinder the advancement of the c5 pawn. Knowing this, black immediately plays c5, bishop b5 check, bishop d7, bishop takes bishop, and here the bishop on d7 can be captured either by knight or by queen, but black prefers to capture it with queen, so queen takes bishop, because black has an idea of swinging the knight to c6, hitting the pawn on d4. Knight f3, bishop g7, once again hitting the pawn on d4, white castles, black two castles, bishop e3 reinforces the d4 pawn, helping to maintain the pawn center. C takes d4, c takes d4. With this position, white center pawn are aggressive on d4 and e4, whereas the black pawns on a7 and b7 is a dangerous queenside majority. Knight c6 hitting the pawn on d4, d5, knight a5, bishop d4 to clear the fianchettoed bishop, rook f c8 controlling the open c file, bishop takes bishop, king takes bishop, queen d4 check, king g8, knight e5 hitting the queen on d7. Here the idea that white has, if the black queen moves, the knight will be shifted to the g4 square and then to the h6 square and check. Queen c7, knight g4, and here the idea is that the knight will swing to h8, and if the king moves to f8, the queen will go to h8 and it will be checkmate. Knowing this idea, black plays queen c3, knight h6 check, king f8, and now because of the black queen on c3, white is forced to capture it, and therefore queen captures queen, rook captures queen and controls the open c file.